Hi everyone, so today we're going to run through how to work out the fixator for a specific agonist. So for OCR, they can ask you to not only just define what a fixator is, but also specific fixators. So a fixator muscle is one that isometrically contracts to stabilize the origin of the agonist. What we mean by that, so let's say we're looking at the biceps brachii as the agonist muscle. Every muscle has a tendon on either side of it that is attaching it to a bone, and one of those tendons will be known as the insertion point, and then the other tendon will be known as the origin point. And the way to know the difference is the origin point, that side of the muscle, remains very still when you're using that muscle, whereas the insertion side of the muscle moves a lot when you're using that muscle. And the fixator is the one that stabilizes the origin of the agonist. So you've got to think, firstly, okay, which side of the muscle is not moving as much? So it'd be this up here for the bicep. Therefore, the origin point is up here, and then I've just got to think, what other muscle do I know that is around that origin point that might be acting as the fixator? And in this case, it's this muscle here, which is the anterior deltoid. So the anterior deltoid acts as the fixator for the biceps brachii. Um, so just in case they ask you in a movement analysis question, what is the specific fixator for a muscle? Just think, what side of the muscle is not moving as much? What other muscle do I know around that area? And that'll be the muscle that is isometrically contracting to stabilize that origin point. So when you think about doing a bicep curl, you'll feel some tension in the anterior deltoid because it will be isometrically contracting to stabilize this point and also to prevent any unwanted movement at the shoulder.